Hi. Hello, Sandeep. Congratulations to you for your grand success. So finally you got it. Got promoted. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you. This was pending since couple of years and I'm so much happy and relieved for you. You have really worked hard. You've given your 100%. I know that. Well, I knew in my heart of heart that this time I'm going to get it because I just slogged so hard, working since last 3 years, burning the midnight oil day in and day out. I was working hard, so yeah, was not surprised, but was very happy that I could get it, and yeah, it was really a proud moment for me also. Of course, Sandeep, no two opinions. I have seen your focus, your dedication, and the hard work. So no doubt about that. I also knew that definitely you will definitely get it this time. I knew this. So my best of luck for your future endeavors and keep on working and growing in this way. Thanks for your greetings. And hope so. Things will work out. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye.